Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to find numbers divisible by another number. So given a number, so that is a numerator, and given another number, so that is denominator. So we have to try to find if the number is completely divisible. So that means the remainder should be 0. So that is a problem statement. So let's take the numerator, that is n1, and here let's ask a user to enter using the input function call. So let me use input function, and let's say enter first number, that is numerator, and let's again convert this to an integer. So you can also use a floating point over here, but for demo purpose, so I'll be using integer. So let's take n2, that is another variable, that is a denominator. So let me use input function, and here let's ask a user to enter second number. So this is the denominator, and again convert these to an integer. Yeah, so once you get the numerator and the denominator, so let's use if statement and check if the number n1 is completely divisible by n2. For that, let's use n1 over here, and let's try to modulate with n2. So if the remainder is 0, so then you print the number is divisible. Yeah, so if the number is not divisible, so let's take else part, and let's try to print the number is not divisible. Yeah, so this is a complete Python code to find number divisible by another number. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter the first number, so let's take 32, and second number, let's take 2. So you can see number is completely divisible by the second number. And now let me execute it again, and let's get 55, and let's take 2. So you can see number is not divisible because 55, that is 2, is not a factor of 55. Let me close this. So let me re-execute it, and now let's take 55 and enter the second number, that is in the denominator. So let's take 11. So you can see 11 can completely divide 55. So that is number is divisible. Yeah, so this is a complete Python code to find numbers divisible by another number. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.